Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Creative Tool School. My name is Vincent. Today I want to show you how to generate image with Adobe AI. So go to Google, then type Adobe. Select enter, go to adobe.com. So you can do so many things with Adobe. Then go to Creative and Design. Go to online tools, then select generate AI images, select on it, AI image generator, transform text to image, bring your idea to life with Adobe Firefly's text to image generator. Simply use text prompts to create and transform images quickly and easy. AI image generator, transform text to image. Bring your ideas to life with Adobe Firefly's text to image generator. Simply use text prompts to create and transform images quickly and easily. Produce high quality professional outputs with realistic lighting and vibrant colors. So what I want us to do now is to show you how to generate image. Let's say for us to generate image of London view in the night. So what you need to do is you need to type the prompt, type the information. Please generate night images of London. Image. So you select image or video. So we want to generate image. Please generate night images of London, including iconic London buses, London Eye, Tower Bridge. Then select generate. Start generating images. Please generate night image of London, including iconic London buses, London Eye, Tower Bridge, and every other scene, high quality and classic. Then you select generate. Now the next, select your email address to sign in. You can sign in using Google. So select your Google account. Then select continue. So create account. Then you select generate. So it's now generating. Please generate night image of London, including iconic London buses, London Eyes, Tower Bridge, and every scene that is of high classic and quality. And you can see the image. So with this image, you can edit it. And you can see the London buses. You can open in Photoshop web. You can download this image and also share option. So this is how to generate image. So you can just give the prompt, and this is the good example of the image is generated, and this is the image is downloaded to the PC. You can see the image generated. So this is what it looks like with Adobe. Now I want us to give another prompt. Please do the same thing for New York. Please generate iconic images of New York in the night and add all the great features or scene that a traveler will like to see, or someone who have not been to the city before will like to see. Then you select generate. So you can just give any prompt you like to Adobe AI image generator, and it will generate the image. And here we go. This is the image of New York in the night, and this is the image of London in the night. So this is how to generate images on the fly using Adobe AI image generator. Thank you.